So welcome guys here on the live stream again. I will teach you how to do make the trade perfectly with the profit. So a lots of people are watching me right now, and let's wait a moment. After that we will continue our further instructions. So you have to be stay with us. It doesn't mean like that you just came here and after that you are going back. It doesn't happen like in just 5 minutes. If you are watching me just only 5 minutes and after that you are going. So you have to stay calm down, patience, and you have to stay with me till 1 hour. Okay, so hope everyone is ready. And now the members are increasing. Wow. Today is 9,347 members are watching me currently right now. So a huge clap for all of you, those who gave their personal time and watching me here. It also give me motivational. So let's start. So guys, as you can see here, these two lines of the momentum, and another line you can see here. This is the Japanese candlestick, we call it. So how I got these lines? Like first, what you have to do when you are going to start a trade. So it doesn't mean like that you just open the account and it will just start like this. No, you have to do such things. You have to manage the settings. After that you can take these things. So those who are beginners here, those who came first time here, for them only for them, I am explaining everything from the beginning, so they will also understand. They can also make the trade after that. Hope everyone will understand after this end of the live stream. Now the numbers are increasing, and first what you have to do before this, let me do in the real form. So when you will open the trade account, after that you will register. After registration you have to log in ID password, and you have to, the main thing is that you have to do deposit. Without deposit you can't make that real trade. Like fake trade you can make with the demo account, but it will not come in your original account. So but the demo account is only just for like trading to practice. You can practice with the demo account, like which time you have to make. After that you can try when you will become professional player, or not professional player, but even you know about the trading, then you can make with the real money. So I choose here real account. This is my real account of the dirham, as you can see here. And above this is the demo account. So I click on the original account, real account, and it's here. So after that you will see on the screen this graph, as you can see here. Then you have to see you can see here like four things, four icons. First one is signal, second is chart types, third one is technical analysis, and fourth one is multiple chart. It means like this is showing here now one graph. After you click on the multiple chart, you can select two graphs here. So we don't need of two graphs, one is enough and one is best. After that what you have to click here on the chart type. Chart type you will click, you can see here four types: area chart, Japanese candlestick, Helkinesi bar. So we are using here Japanese candlestick. Click on the Japanese candlestick. Then these are the formation of the Japanese candlestick, as you can see here. After that you have to click on the third option, technical analysis. Technical analysis you can see here like oscillator and indicator. So we are using the oscillator right now, because as I thought it is the best, because I also make the profit every day according to the momentum. I will show you and I will inform you about this momentum. What is momentum? So indicators also, but I didn't use yet here in the live stream the indicator. I will use after in the next stream after some time. So you can see a lots of method of the indicator, but there is no need of the indicator here right now. So we are click on the oscillator. After oscillator you can see here MACD, RSI, stochastic, DMACR, Arun, and we have to further move to the downside, and we will see here momentum. So on the when you will see the momentum, just click on here. See guys, one thing, like there is no, on the screen there is only Japanese candlestick here. This is the only Japanese candlestick. After that what you have to do, click on the momentum, and after clicking on the momentum you will see here the two lines. See, these came after click on the momentum. So after click on the momentum you can see time period. This is the period 1, period 2. These are the periods of the momentum, and the period 1 has the number of 14, period 2 has 9 number, 14 number. It means that the sum of the previous 14 Japanese candlestick, the average sum of the previous 14 Japanese candlestick. This is the momentum period 1. And momentum period 2 you can see here, this is the 9 number, and it means the previous 9 numbers sum. like adding the 9 Japanese candlestick, and it will give the momentum result. So you can see here another thing is that You can change the numbers, but it's fixed here. I fixed this because it is, if you change the numbers, then these the both lines are also will change. So this is highly curved, roughly and zigzag manner. It will change every second. This blue one line, because it has the highest number, that's why it is in the curve form in the zigzag manner. But this has the less number, yellow one. So yellow line is smoothly and like wavy texture, or we can say structure. So I explain about momentum. And what is the main question, why we are using only momentum here? So the answer is that, guys, Japanese candlestick will make according to the direction of the momentum lines. Keep in your mind, according to the what? Momentum lines. Okay, let me close this. As you can see here, now we got the Japanese candlestick and momentum lines. What you have to do here now, you can see time frame. This is the time frame. You can choose like 5 seconds, 15, 1 minute, 5 minute, any time which is comfortable for you, and in which time you want to make the trade. And here is the duration. I already fixed it, 3 minutes. It can be like 1 hour, 1 second. I don't know, because I never try 1 second, but at least you can try in the minutes. Like 5 seconds it may be, because here also 5 seconds are visible. So I choose the 1 minute time frame, but on the duration, or this is the trade duration time. So just triple the amount of the time frame. Time frame is 1 minute. I multiply by 3 times. So it is here 3 minutes. So now we will make, because the trade result will come after the ending of the 3 minutes. Now let's make the trade to the downside, and it is going to the up. First trade going upward, and from beginning from here, as you can see here, it is going just only to the downside, as you can see here, guys. I just make this trade suddenly and like quickly, because maybe you are getting bored here to just listening my blah 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 blah. It can seems to you blah blah, but it's really beneficial. I explain all the things for you, so you can also make the trade. So we click on the down trade. There is only 2 options, up and down, only 2 trades. So when you will make the trade, a line is created here, a line formation here. You can see I make the down trade, it's a red line. If I make the up trade, then it will be green line. So the conclusion is that when the Japanese, let me zoom it so you will explain and you will understand easily. Conclusion is that, guys, if you are making a trade, then when you will get the profit. So there is the duration of the 3 minutes here, as you can see. It means in the end of the 3 minutes we will get the result. Now when we will profit and when we will lose, if this we make the down trade, so it means that these Japanese candlesticks should be formed below this line, trade line. It has to be below this trade line, otherwise we will lose. If it create on the above side, Japanese candlestick form in the end of 1 second of the 3 minute, like above side, then it will be loss, and it is now forming like here, then it is profit. Now I will show you. Maybe some are asking like how we can see how much time is remaining. So one thing is that you can check here on the trade, click on the trade, you will see here active trade. Active trade we created here of the 300 dirham, and it is showing the profit is still, because the Japanese candlestick is forming behind and below this trade line, and we make the down trade. So we are still in the profit, and we have minutes 59 seconds remaining. Now 55 seconds remaining. You can see the active time trade, like how much seconds is remaining right now. So after 45 seconds we will get the result, and it should be in the profit, because the lines are moving below this trade line. And I don't think that in the 30 seconds it can move upward, but it not 100% sure, like it will not come back. As you can see, it is coming to the upside. See, guys, it should have to be on the bottom line. It should have to be go deeply according to that line, this line. And now 18 seconds remaining, guys. It is moving to upward. It can change in the even after, before 2-3 seconds. See, guys, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got profit. Wow. So guys, what I have to do here now? I have to laugh or I have to be like sad? No, I will be not sad. It's okay. But if you see one thing, 1 second, it's not even 1 second. Half and half of the 1 second, 0.0 something. The trade was in the profit from the last 2 minutes. But in the 1 second, it just reached on the above line according to the trade line. It reached above the trade line in 1 second, a little bit, and we lost. So this is happen sometimes, but not every time. It is like you can say rarely case. So now what I have to do? The graph is still going. Let me do. I will tell you what I am doing here now. Let me make a trade. So it's moving to the upward direction now, like as you can see here. It's again forming a pyramid nature, like triangle nature. It goes to the upward, after that it's coming to the downside. Then now it's again moving to the upward, as you can see here guys, because it is this Japanese candlestick is forming according to this momentum line of the blue one. As you can see here, this blue line is moving upward, and this also Japanese candlestick is also forming in the upward direction. So these are indicators of the, like indicators I use, but this is the oscillator momentum lines. These are the oscillators, and they indicate, not indicators, they indicate the direction of the Japanese candlestick. Like it's moving to up, then it is going to up. If it's going to down, then it is also coming to the down. So what do you think now? Let's wait a little, because now this yellow line is coming to the 100 bar line, as you can see here, in just a closely. Now they also intersect with both the lines, but it can change anytime. So let's wait a little bit. What do you think? It will goes to the up or down? Guys, you can also see it carefully. In a chill mood, like you can watch me on your live stream by sitting or lying down anywhere. It's okay, but your internet connection should be like perfectly, as this time like we have 5G or Wi-Fi also, so you will not face any problem. So now I am going to make the trade here. If someone is not understanding in the English language, you can ask in the Hindi, so I will explain on the Hindi. I know both the languages perfectly, so it will be not a problem. This is going to the down, and the time is remaining here like 1 second guys. I didn't understand one thing here. Now 32 seconds remaining. When I zoom it, then these seconds are showing behind this number. So I thought, why its number is coming like this? So it's okay, no problem. 18 seconds remaining, and it's still going to the downside. As you can see, it's going very, very, very down. Because both the lines are moving to the downside. So what we have to do? Let's make the down trade. Okay, ready, steady, and going to the down. But it can also come back to the upward direction. As it did just in 1 second, guys, only in 1 second. It's still going to the down. Nice. It's moving very, very, very to the down, as you can see here, guys. Let me make a trade. After that, I will explain more clearly, because without trade, you are thinking what is he speaking, what he is saying. So guys, let me make a trade. It doesn't matter that I will lose it or win it, but I have to show you. See, this momentum line, blue one, is going to the downside. Yellow one is also moving to the downside. So this Japanese candlestick is formed in the which direction? In the lower direction. as you can see here. Maybe after some minutes they will intersect again. Here it seems like that they already intersect, but as you can see after zooming it, they didn't intersect. So now it goes to the down, but it came back to the upward, as you can see here, guys. Let's make the up trade this time. What you will think? Okay, let's make the upward trade. Okay, I will make. I just make. Let's see what will happen now after 3 minutes. It should have to be make in the above direction. After that we can recover our money. And I will inform you what I use the martingale strategy. Actually I use here martingale strategy. Now what is the meaning of the martingale strategy? I will inform you a little bit later after winning this trade. If I win, then you can see. Now you can see, guys. I invested 800 dirham and the profit is that 656 dirham. So this profit will come after the end of the 3 minute. Now the time is remaining 2 minute and 2 minute and 15 seconds. So we have to wait 2 minute and 15 seconds, and this is still going to the upward. If it goes like that, then surely we are in the profit. तो दोस्तों कुछ कहना चाहोगे? मजा आ रहा है लाइव स्ट्रीम देखने में? हाँ, जब लॉस होता है जब तो ज़्यादा ही मज़ा आता होगा ना, कि दूसरे का लॉस हुआ है तो यार। पर आप इससे एक चीज़ का अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि कोई चीज़ फेक नहीं चल रही, सब कुछ रियल चल रहा है। रियलिटी में लाइव स्ट्रीम चल रही है और आपके सामने लॉस भी हो रहा है। ये तो दिखा नहीं रहा कि मैं भाई 100% या सिर्फ प्रॉफिट ही प्रॉफिट हो रहा है। तो बोथ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग हियर एज यू कैन सी। एंड गाइज अनदर थिंग इज दैट नाउ वी हैव टू रिमेन, we have to stay calm down here just for 1 minute and 25 seconds. After that we will see the result. Still we are in the profit, but we can't say anything because as you can see in the previous trade we are hoping that we will surely win. I was also hoping, but in the end of 1 second it's changed completely, like it just moved a 1 inch above to the trade line. But what we can say, what we can't do, we can do one thing. We can recover our lost money with the extra profit. So you have to use for this martingale strategy, and I use here martingale strategy. I lost here, I make a one trade, it was in the last moment, in the previous 1 second it was loss, but here you can see we are in the profit. So 30 seconds it should be have to in the profit. It shouldn't have to be moved till here, and I'm now surely damn sure that it will not goes below this trade line. See, it is going upward, upward, upward. So now 15 seconds remaining. We will start countdown. Start 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you can see the result in the profit of the 656. So see, the profitable rate is 50%. We make one profitable trade, we earn 656 because we make here the trade of the 800 dirham, and the previous one we lost. As you can see here, we lost it, but we recover with the extra profit. In 656 we recover our 300, and even after that we have extra profit of 356 dirham. So we use it martingale strategy. After winning, you have to come back on your same amount, like from which I started, from the 300 dirham. Let me make the 300. So now we have to make a trade here again. As you can see, guys, here it is still moving to the upward, but hopefully it will comes to the down very soon, because as you can see the previous Japanese candlestick, they are going down, then a little bit upward, then again down, then a little bit upward, and it's going still to the upward, as you can see here. But I think it will come back to the down after a moment. So let's make, and after that we will check. It's still going to the upward, as you can see here. So from here it goes till there. As I told you, these momentum lines are beneficial because these Japanese candlesticks are forming according to the direction of the momentum lines. Let me relax and let me watch. Let me analyze this, where it is going. तो दोस्तों जो भी यहाँ तक बैठे हुए जो इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि यार हमारा भी नंबर आए, हमें भी ट्रेड करना है, तो वो चीज़ आप भी कर पाओगे जब आप इस अच्छे से देख लोगे. ये अभी भी ऊपर ही मूव कर रहा है, पर अब ये डाउन आएगा. ये फिर से ऊपर जा सकता है, जैसा कि आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है. नीचे आया, फिर ऊपर गया, फिर से ये नीचे आएगा. अब इसकी डायरेक्शन मुड़ चुकी है, देखो दोस्तों. अब ये नीचे की डायरेक्शन में आ सकता है, लेकिन अभी भी ये ऊपर की तरफ है. देखो ऊपर गया ना एकदम से. तो हम बना देते हैं एक ट्रेड. बोलो क्या कहते हो, बना दे डाउन ट्रेड का. क्योंकि काफ़ी ऊपर जा चुका है. स्टिल इट इज़ गोइंग टू द अपवर्ड. और कितना ऊपर जाएगा भाई, थोड़ा नीचे आ जाए यार. ये तो अभी ऊपर ही ऊपर जा रहा है यार. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Now it's still moving to the upward, as you can see here. Too much it's going upward. Now it is coming to back a little bit to the downside. So we have to wait a little seconds, like 10-15 seconds. And it's still moving to the upward. Hopefully now it will be change his direction. As you can see, the graph will change its direction. Now it's completely depending on this. You can see here guys. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये जहाँ मूव कर रही है वहीं पर ये मूव कर रही है. ये ऊपर मुड़ा, ये भी ऊपर चली, ये नीचे आएगा तो ये भी नीचे आएगी. इसीलिए हमने यहाँ मोमेंटम की लाइंस का यूज़ किया है, मोमेंटम को यूज़ किया है. ये मोमेंटम के दो पीरियड है, यू कैन सी हियर. और ये तो ऊपर ही जा रहा है यार दोस्तों. अब ये लगता नहीं है नीचे आएगा, काफ़ी ऊपर तक बढ़ चुका है ये. तो हमें अब ट्रेड कर देना चाहिए, है ना. क्या कहते हो, कर दिया जाए. एकदम से नीचे आया दोस्तों. लेट मी मेक द डाउन ट्रेड. It's moving upward, 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 and it's moving upward. Let's see the next Japanese candlestick form to the down or upward. It's still moving to the up, as you can see here, going upward. Let's make the down trade and let's see the result. We are waiting because it's going too much above, and it's still going to the above. Let's see the 3 minutes where the direction will move. Both the direction are going to the upward, as you can see here, but it's okay if I lose it because I already earned 356 extra profit. So if I lose it, then still we have like 56 dirham will be in the profit. So it is going a little bit far, but it will come back soon to the downside because it can go only two sides. That's why there is only two methods of the making trade, up and down. So it's coming back to the down. Come down, come to down. Your momentum lines are going to down and you are going to upward. No, it is not happen like that. You also have to come to the down and it will come. We have to just look around it. And we have 2 minutes remaining guys. So 2 minutes and it is going a little bit away from the trade line. So till the 2 minutes, 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining now. Like you can see, they are giving us a opportunity to close this trade. If we close this trade, then this is the amount we will got from this amount. So it is better if you are like surely damn sure that we are going to lose, then you can save like a little bit your money according to this time period. You can close this and it will come in your account, but not complete amount will come, but nothing more than it's enough something. So now it's changed the direction a little bit, not too much, a little bit. and we have remaining time is 1 minute and 7 seconds is still remaining, and we came in the profit, but the result will come even after that 1 minute. So we have to just wait now here 1 minute 55 seconds, and now it's moving to the down, as you can see guys here. So what you will think in the end of this second, it will profit or it will loss? It will is, I think it will be profit, as according to the currently graph, and it is still moving to the down, but we can't say 200% surely, because as we saw in the starting of the first trade, we are sure that it will profit, but in the end of 1 second, in the end of 1 second, it changed the direction, it just crossed the trade line, and we just lost in just half and half of 1 second, like in 0.025 seconds, not even 1 second, less than 1 second, we just lost. Oh, we got the result. I was just busy to talk with you, to telling you, teaching you, and we also get the result. See in front of you, it is now in the profit, and now it's changing the direction, and when we are in the profit, we have to make the trade in the same amount as we started from the 300. It's still it's 300, we just change it 800 because of the to recover our losses, but we recover loss, then after that we came back again to the same amount from which we started. So now it is moving to the upside, as you can see here guys. La 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 la. Wow, you have reached a new level and get minus swing signals. माइनस स्विंग सिग्नल, देखो इसने थोड़ा सा इन्फॉर्म किया है कि हम ऐसे लेवल पे आ चुके हैं जहाँ हल्के हल्के में ऐसे स्विंग सिग्नल्स मिलेंगे। इसका मतलब क्या है कि वो कभी भी इधर उधर जा सकता है, कुछ कह नहीं सकते अभी हम। So we reach on the new level, as you can see here. Maybe it is saying like that. It is going a little bit long, but it's short. Then it is also short. It will be short. Maybe. Let's check what will happen, and we analyze it after making a trade. As you can see, the successfully rate is increased. 67 percentage is the 2 days success, and to profitable success, you can count these 600, 200, 800, 56 or 46. You can see what is happening. Same like 300, like 56 or 446 is 100. So 600 or to 800 plus 100, 900. We got the profit 900 dirham in just how much time? Only in just half an hour, like 28 minutes. Not even 28 minutes. In the starting 15 minutes, I just explaining. So in just 15 minutes, we make this amount. So it's easy to make the earning money, but you should have to the, like if you have knowledge regarding the trading, then you can earn a lot of money. It's not like fake or illegal something. It's real. It's completely real game. You can register on your account on the Olymp Trade site, and you can see there the result. Now I am like making a lot of money here in front of you, so I can put recently now just buy randomly, because if it is loss, then it will also not a problem. You know very well why, because I am still in the profit. And now it's going to the down. I hope it goes to the down. It is moving to the upward right now, and you can see this is 100 bar line, and they goes very far from the above, from this 100 line. When these both lines came back to the 100, it will be more good. After that, this yellow line follow, this Japanese candlestick will follow this yellow line. But now this is also following this blue line. Blue line is a little bit down. It is also down. It is going to up. It is going to up. See here guys, in front of all of you. So what we have to do now? Let's make the trade. Or you want to wait, or you tired, or you feel boring here because now I am not making a trade. So it's okay. I also want to take rest. And rest is means that I'm thinking, I'm analyzing, I'm just analyzing the graph, like on which direction it will goes in the next Japanese candlestick. देखते क्या होता है, ऊपर जाएगा नीचे जाएगा। तो ये ग्राफ अब नीचे चल चुका है, ये ऊपर आने की कमी चांस है, पर आ भी सकता है, कुछ कह नहीं सकते अभी। तो हमें ट्रेड कर देना चाहिए, बाद में 3 मिनट के बाद रिजल्ट पता ही चल जाएगा कि ये कहाँ गया था, ये जैपनीज कैंडलस्टिक किस डायरेक्शन में फॉर्म हुई थी, वो सारी चीज़ें पता चली जाएगी। और ये कोई फिक्स नहीं, आप काउंट करो ऐसे कि 1 2 3 4 के बाद एक ये डाउन गया, फिर यहाँ एक के बाद फिर ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर गया, फिर एक ये आया, अब ये दूसरा गया, फिर ये रेड हो सकता है, ब्लू ग्रीन हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, ऐसे अंदाज़ा नहीं लग सकता, लेकिन मोमेंटम्स के अकॉर्डिंग हम देख सकते हैं उस चीज़ को। दोनों लाइन्स एज यू कैन सी गोइंग टू द डाउन, सो लेट्स मेक द ट्रेड ऑफ द डाउन साइड। लेट मी मेक एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट विल हैपन इन द रिजल्ट, इन द एंड ऑफ द रिजल्ट। It is going a little bit upward, but it's still showing to the downside, as you can see here. I make the down trade here. Now let's watch and look here where it will goes. We are in the profit right now, but it's going to the down, to the upward, because it changed the direction to the upward, and it is also parallel to the 100 line. You can see here we are in the loss. You can see the time frame here, 2 minutes 40 seconds remaining now, and we are in the equilibrium position right now. Like both lines are merged. Like this is the trade line of the reddish color, as you can see here, its number is visible. This is the red line, and the Japanese candlestick is forming on the exact on this point, on the same place. So that's why it's showing like just a normal, without loss, without profit, like zero. It means that it will refund, it will refund the amount if it will always like that moment in the end of the 1 second it remains same, stay on this trade line, but it is now in the profit, as you can see here. Now it's changed the direction, it is coming back to the downside, as you can see. What I'm actually saying, what I'm gonna try to make you convince, I'm just saying this line, like this Japanese candlestick is moving down. Why? Because this momentum line, this blue one, is going down, it is coming down. When it will move to the up, it will also move to the up. So the conventional method is that you have to follow this momentum line for these Japanese candlestick. These Japanese candlestick follow this momentum lines direction. And it's great that still a lots of members are watching and nobody is remaining from this live chat, from the live stream. Wow, it's a completely damn profit, guys. It came very, very, very lower than the previous one. As you can see here, like it goes upward, then neutral, then upward, and after that it just came down, and it came too much downside. 55 seconds, 50 seconds only remaining here, as you can see. 50 सेकंड्स बची हैं, अब तो 45 सेकंड बची हैं दोस्तों, और ये काफ़ी नीचे आ चुका है इस ट्रेड की लाइन से। तो जो ये है ब्लू, नो, जो ग्रीन लाइन है, ग्रीन जैपनीज कैंडलस्टिक है ये वाली, ये ऊपर चली भी जाए तो अभी कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये 30 सेकंड के अंदर इतना जो गैप है इसको तो क्रॉस नहीं कर पाएगी। और ये देखो वापस ये नीचे की साइड आ गई। तो ये तो हम डैम 1000% श्योर है कि ये प्रॉफिट में, जब इतना डिफरेंस आपको दिख जाए, इतना गैप आपको दिख जाए ट्रेड लाइन के बीच में और जो जैपनीज कैंडलस्टिक जो फॉर्म हो रही है, जिस डायरेक्शन में वो फॉर्म हो रही है, उसमें अगर इतना बड़ा सा गैप दिख जाए तो इसका मतलब ये है दोस्तों कि हम प्रॉफिट में है। 8 7 5 4 3 2 1 अगेन ए प्रॉफिट प्रॉफिट प्रॉफिट। सी 75% is the profit. See the result, bro. Guys, you have to look around this result. So let me count this result. Like as I already counted, 900 we won, and after that 200, 900, 200, 1146. Total amount of the profit is 1146. So if I lose it now 300, it doesn't matter for me, because even after that I'm huge profitable. I earn a huge profit, and it's still moving to the down, as you can see here. Let's make a down trade here. After moving it to a little bit down, now it's going to the upward, as you can see here. 15 seconds remaining, and we will make a trade again. Let's see where it will goes in the next trade. it will goes to upward. As you can see here, it is not going to the downside too much. Now it's moving to up, but it can be come back to the downside because the yellow line is also moving to the direction of the 100 bar. Oh, 1 second, I make, yes I make, because my cursor is was on the up trade and I just click on the up trade. As you can see, this is forming in the greenish line and the blue line is also moving too much upward. After that, this Japanese candlestick is the biggest one here, as you can see, in compared to the previous ones, and it is still moving to the upward. So now we hoping that after remaining this, after finish of these 2 minute 28 seconds, we will got a new profit, and this percentage of the 75 percentage, it will increase again approx like 85 percentage. So let's wait guys. Only how much time we have to wait? Only 2 minutes and 15 seconds and it will shows us the result, but we can't say anything right now because still we have the 2 minutes and this graph is going a little bit to the downside, like it's not moving to the up now. Now it's coming to down. Oh, okay, if it remain like that then it is okay, but it shouldn't have to be cross this trade line. It has to be upper side. But it is trying to come to the down. And now 30 seconds remaining of this Japanese candlestick. After finish this time period, this is the time period of the Japanese candlestick, like 1 minute. In the 1 minute they make the new Japanese candlestick and we went to the loss, as you can see here guys. But still I am laughing, not laughing, not, but I am like enjoying it because it's interesting. Like it goes till 1.5 minutes in the upper direction in the profit, but in the some seconds it come back to the down in the loss. After that you can see here it is still moving a little bit to the up, but now it's forming to the downside. Yes, it's crossed the trade line and it's moving to the down. Guys, 1 minute left. Now it's really very interesting on which direction it will form. Like here we have remaining time is 52 seconds and the Japanese candlestick is forming to the downside, and the result, like as you can see here, this Japanese candlestick is forming to up and down as this blue line of the momentum is going, like it's going down down up up. अगर ये नीचे जा रही है वो नीचे आ रहा है, ये ऊपर जा रही है वो ऊपर जा रही है. So guys, hope you are understanding everything. Now we again came back in the profit, but we have to wait 20 seconds. Oh, hopefully it came back in the good direction guys. Now it will not move to the bottom side. It will not cross the trade line. Oh, it's surely it will not cross now. 10 seconds remaining and I'm damn sure that it will goes upper and upper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and got the profit. See, result 246 dirham again profit. Maybe you are thinking he's just making us fool. No. Seriously, I am doing in front of all of you guys, as you can see here. If I lost, then I will explain about the loss. I also explain how I can recover the loss by using the martingale strategy. Sometimes it not work. No, it always work. Like you lost, you use the martingale strategy, then you lost again use the martingale strategy by just increasing the double amount and plus 200. So hope you understand the martingale strategy. I will give you some tips in the remaining time in the end of the live stream, or maybe after losing a one trade. So guys, it is going again to the upside because they intersect with each other here, as you can see. Let me zoom it. When I zoom these lines, it seems like a little bit intersecting with each other. See here. Wow, the graph is moving. No one can understand what is going on here because even I can't see visible things what is going on here. But according to this, you can check the market lining or how much they, and lots of numbers they are making every time. So let me zoom it again and let's make a trade new. So guys, it's going to the, let's see after 4 seconds on which direction it will move. up, then I will click on the up. Oh, it is going to the down. Up, down. What you will think? The yellow line is crossed the 100 line and it is going to the down. The blue line is still parallel to the 100 line, but it's moving up and down, and they did not intersect with each other. That's why it's still following the direction of the blue one. ये जब इंटरसेक्ट कर जाता है तो उसके बाद इनकी डायरेक्शन बदल जाती है, जैसे ये इसको फॉलो करने लग जाता है जापानीज कैंडलस्टिक इस येलो लाइन को। लेकिन जब ये ब्लू लाइन है, ये जब इसको क्रॉस कर देगी, नहीं इसने यहाँ पर क्रॉस नहीं कर रखा, तो ये क्रॉस नहीं कर रही, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हर टाइम इसी को फॉलो करेगी। जो जापानीज कैंडलस्टिक है दोस्तों, वो फॉलो करेगी सिर्फ ब्लू लाइन को। एंड दे आर स्टिल मूविंग टू द डाउन एंड डाउन, डाउन एंड डाउन, डाउन एंड डाउन। Let's make a trade. I am not worrying about the loss because I am all good mood. I earn a lot of money, as you can see in front of you. It's still going to the down. Wow, great. I think this will form in the too much downside. Let's make it down and let's see what will happen in the end of the 30 seconds. It is moving to up. Now it's coming back to the down. It is again going to the down, as you can see, down again up, and now it will come back. Okay, let's make that trade and let's see what will happen in the end of the 12 seconds. If it will be lost, then it's okay for me. It's not a problem because I am in the 80% profit, guys. You can see I make 5 trade. 1 is loss, 4 is profitable, and this one seems profitable, as you can see, and check on the active trade here. But we have 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining, so the direction can change anytime, anywhere, but we are hoping that it surely will be in the profit. Let's wait and relax. I have to take breath because I speak too much, guys. After 10 minutes we will finish it, and oh, you can see what I told you, I was in the profit. Again came in the profit, but it's changed the direction. It goes in the upward direction. It crossed the trade line. That time it is showing loss there, but now we are in the profit because this is the, let me show by the cursor. You can see this red line, this is down trade, and this is Japanese candlestick are forming here according to the momentum lines, according to this bluish line, and it is going to the down. It is also Japanese candlestick forming to the down. If it goes to the upward, as you can see, it is going to the upward, and it is goes to upward in the loss again, and I think it changed the direction completely, and the time is remaining 1 minute and 17 seconds. So guys, now it is going too far, and 26, oh, it's moving, it's really changed the direction, as you can see here, guys, but still we have hope. As you can see here, I told you we have hope. So now just only 1 minute left, and it will show us, it will give us the result. It came back to the down. Oh, it shouldn't have to be go to the low. 40 seconds remaining, guys. So welcome to all the members. 9,461 members are watching me right now. Let's stay here for at least 30 seconds and let's see what will happen in this trade. It's like approximately in the loss or in the profit. We can't assume right now because it's nearly, too much nearly. Anything can happen in the end of 1 second. It can go to the down, it can go to the upward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and profit! Yes! Whew. Wow. So guys, Our percentage rate is increased 84% profitable. Amazing. Amazing. It is going to the down, but you can see here it is again going to upward here. We make the down trade and after that it is going to the upward. Let's make a new trade. Let's make a new trade. Wow, it's going too much high on the upward direction. So what we have to do? We have to make the up trade. It came to the down a little bit. Let's make the up trade. Let's make. I just make. And I did good. Now let's, because, uh, oh, it is going to the down. It's changing the direction. It's okay. We, we win. We got the profit result too much. And for today, it's enough. So guys, we have to wait for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. As you can see on the screen, on the active trade, we are going in the loss. Oh, I didn't see. It is going too much far as compared to the loss, because guys, it changed the direction. It is going firstly there, but now it is coming to the down, and this Japanese candlestick is also coming to the downside. Wow, 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 wow. It is going again to a little bit upward, and I am hoping good now. It has to be go upward, upward, upward. Let's move to the upward. If it is in my hand, like just click here, like click here and move like these lines. I can change the direction of these Japanese candlestick. Then I will always, even I was not, even whole the public, those who are doing trading, they can be like millionaire. Like I just click here on the Japanese candlestick and I will move it to the like upward. But it is not happen like that. Company is not like food. So now we are going in the, you can see here guys, only 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining, and the direction is going to the downside. As you can see, it's still going to down. It's also going to the down and down, as you can see here. So I think it will not come back to the upward, because it is still moving to the more down. Wow, it's coming back to the upward. Hoping the good movement. We have the time is remaining 50 seconds. So the guys, दोस्तों, ये अब नीचे जा रहा है यार. इसने पैराबोलिक और सरकमफ्रेंस टाइप की एक रेडियस बना ली है, एज यू कैन सी सर्कल फॉर्म में, और अब ये इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है उस येलो लाइन को. तो इसकी डायरेक्शन भी अब चेंज हो जाएगी. आप जैसे यहाँ देख सकते हैं, हमारे पास सिर्फ 30 सेकंड बची है. 30 सेकंड में तो ये ऊपर आएगा नहीं, ये लॉस में ही जाएगा. और इसके बाद हम करते हैं आज की आखिरी लाइव स्ट्रीम को ख़त्म. Eleven seconds. Let's move upward. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's move a little bit. Whoa! Now it will goes to the upward. So guys, from the 84%, we have now 72%. So those who are thinking like that, why he is not losing any money? Why he is always winning all the trades? So guys, in front of all of you, the result is in front of all the peoples. I also lost. But the thing is that even after losing this money, I am in a huge profit. That's why I am happy. You also have to be happy. Don't be cry like a child is. So let me increase this amount. Like you can do one thing. If you lose, but even I am still in the profit, so there is no need to increase the amount, because I am in the profit. There is no loss. If you really get in the loss, then you have to use martingale strategy. like it is going to the down. From here to here it is going to the down. Now it's going to upward, but they intersect with each other and it will surely goes to the down, not to the upward direction. Let's make the trade to the down and let's see what will happen after. Oh, we didn't make any trade, so we can't say anything right now. So guys, let's move. I have to go. As always, the time is left. And thank you for watching me here. Only one loss here and the another loss is here. Others 2, 3, 4, 5 are in the profitable. So the today's rate 72% is the profitable. 5 profitable trades. You can see. And I am still in a huge profit. The graphs are going down and down, down and down. I think I can make one trade in the same amount because I am not in the loss, so I can make the same amount. If I will be in the loss, then I will increase. I will use the martingale strategy. So let's make the trade. Let me analyze it in 1 minute where the graph is going. After that I will make the trade. So guys, it is moving a little bit like to the in the upward direction, but it can come back to the downside. You can see here. It is now. Let's see what the direction is forming here. The graph is moving to upward, as you can see here, but it can change the direction anytime. It can come back to the downside, as you can see here. So we have to just wait a little seconds here. After that I'm assuming it. They are like stuck here on the same direction. Let's make a trade and after that I will go from here. It is coming to the down, as you can see here. It's interesting now. Like it is coming to the down, then it came back to the upward. So what you will think, what will happen in the end of the 8 seconds, guys? I am hoping that it will come back the down. It is going in the down direction. Okay, let's make a up trade. It's going a little bit to the down, but it will come back surely here in cross it, and we have like 3 minutes time remaining. So guys, let's finish this live stream now. Hoping the best, get profit like this, as I show you everything real in the. So this is the time to finish the live stream. It can be lost, it's okay, no problem. Even after that you can change the success rate. See here, guys. It means that 72% is the success rate. We lost this one, and even after they go, seems like here it is now profit. It's in the profit. But if I lose this one, let's assume if I lose it, even after that doesn't matter for me because I am still in a huge profit. So I can make it. Before going and before finish the live stream, I want to tell you one thing. If you have huge budget, like if you have huge money, you can make according to their choice, your choice, like how much amount you want to make in the trade. But if you have low budget, low money, then you have to do one thing. You have to make a minimum investment. So you can make a lots of trade in the same amount. Like if you have 100 something, any currency, then divide it in the 10 parts, like make the 10 10 10 10 10, because you can play 10 times this trade. You can do trade 10 times, but you have only 100. You make in just 1 second, like 100 just put in first time trade and you lost. Then what you will do after that? You are not eligible to play, to make the trade again, because you completely lost. That's why if you have a low budget, then make the trade in the minimum investment. And if you have a huge budget, then you can to whatever you want. So guys, 1 minute is left till the 2 minutes. It is going in the profitable, but in the end of the 1 minute is came to the downside, and let's see what will happen in the after 55 seconds. And we will finish this live stream for 2 days is enough. ठीक है दोस्तों, चलते हैं, दुआओं में याद रखना, आज के लिए काफ़ी है. आखिरी बस ये देख जाते हैं लॉस में जाएगी या प्रॉफिट में जाएगी. काफ़ी इंजॉय किया, काफ़ी सीखने को मिला, सीखने को बताया भी, और अच्छा लगा आप अब तक यहाँ रुके रहे, आपने इसको अपना इतना कीमती टाइम दिया. आई एम रियली हैप्पी. सो क्लैप फॉर एवरीवन. एंड यू कैन सी नाउ जस्ट ओनली 30 seconds remaining, and let's see what will happen, guys. 20 seconds remaining, guys. 15, 14, 13, 12, and it is coming to the down, but now it will not come to the down too much, like it is going to up and up and up and up, and 3, 2, 1, profit. Okay, bye. See the result here. 75% profitable, 6 profitable trade. It is also profitable. So now you can compare both these. Neglect this because here I lost 300. Here I again make 246. And before this I make profit. So guys, bye. Have a good luck. See you in the next live stream.